Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 24th, 2025, and this is going to be day 381 of consistently helping people build consistency. So there was a time where I could never stay consistent at studying. Well, like you can implement the principles that I'm going to be giving on this video to other things other than studying, like exercising, meditating. But for today's video, we are going to be talking about studying, okay? So my example is studying. So I can never stay consistent at studying, and I finally figured out why. It's because I always studied in my bed. Sure, it was comfortable, but after 20 minutes, I'd feel sleepy. Sometimes I'll even, sleep during my studying session, involuntarily. No wonder it felt never efficient and also never consistent. Now, I've realized why that happens. So here's the thing. I have already spent years and years and years training my brain to associate my bed with sleeping. So every single time I just study in my bed, my brain says, oh yeah, it's time to rest. Let's sleep. So how do we actually fix this problem? Well, I want to be consistent at studying, right? So we solve this problem by building a clear, consistent associations of places, knowing what each space is for and what it is not for. So let me ask you one question. Would you eat some food or drink some drinks in your bathroom? Well, the answer is no, right? Because it feels so wrong because you've been consistently conditioned to avoid it. And that's basically the thing that we are aiming here. We are aiming for intentional conditioning to make good habits more automatic. For me, I gave every single space a consistent theme. My bedroom is for rest and entertainment. Things like sleeping, watching shows, reading comics, and no studying, no work. Why? Because I want my brain to have a clear association, a consistent association of bedroom equals resting and entertainment. So where do I study now? Well, in a different space. It doesn't necessarily need to be a new, different, full room. Maybe, just a desk or a chair is enough. And you just call it your study spot. And in the studying spot, the rule is simple. No sleeping, no scrolling, no distractions, no entertainment, just consistent deep work. The more consistently you follow these space rules that you created for yourself, the more natural it becomes day by day. Eventually, studying in your study spot will feel as natural as not eating in the bathroom. Well, it still takes some effort too, but being consistent becomes way easier when your environment supports it consistently. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Join our Discord and stay consistent.